Alright, so since the beginning of owning this, when I put the key in and turn on the ignition, close the door so that goes away. After all my checks complete, I always get this no cal symbol right here. So I am told that is because the TPMS is not being calibrated, and if I have the ignition on but do not start the car. Okay, so under here, there is a button right here. You can see that, and supposedly, if I hold this button in for 5 seconds, we're gonna get, aha. So that just changed to cal. So now it is gonna calibrate for me. So if I fire this up and drive for, it says like 20 to 30 minutes, it will calibrate them. So that's what I am gonna do next. All right, so as soon as I started the car, it actually went away and came onto my clock. So I guess it's already calibrated. I did not have to drive for 20 to 30 minutes like I heard. So hopefully this video was helpful, guys. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out more F430 content. See you guys.